Are you struggling to add Android and iOS platforms in Ionic CLI version 3.3.0? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you update your tools only to run into roadblocks. It can feel like you're stuck in quicksand, right? But don't worry, we will get through this. Here's the situation. One user recently reported that after updating Ionic, they tried to add the Android platform but received an error message. They shared the console output, which indicated that the platform command has been renamed. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what does this error mean? It indicates that the command structure has changed in the newer versions of Ionic. Instead of using Ionic Platform Add, you now need to use Ionic Cordova Platform Add. Understanding this change is crucial for moving forward. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid similar issues in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, the first step is to update the Ionic CLI to the latest version. This is important because the command structure has changed in newer versions. After updating the Ionic CLI, the user should verify the installation by checking the version. This ensures that the update was successful. Next, the user needs to add the Android and iOS platforms using the new command structure. Instead of using Ionic Platform Add, they should use Ionic Cordova Platform Add. Finally, the user should check if the platforms have been added successfully. This can be done by listing the platforms in the project. Fun fact, did you know that the Ionic framework was inspired by the need for hybrid mobile app development? It has come a long way since its inception. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using Cordova commands directly. If you're having trouble adding or removing platforms with Ionic, you can try using the command Cordova Platform Add Android instead. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check the official Ionic documentation after updates. It can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to add Android and iOS platforms without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Remember, staying updated is key to smooth development.